Tell anyone who you just seen and it's jail for you.
Confidential informants have an expectation of privacy in public.
This video is for educational and commentary purposes only. It does not identify, accuse, or target any real individuals.
Do not attempt to use this information to identify or interfere with any real person. Retaliation or exposure of informants can be illegal and dangerous.
Okay, let's take a purely hypothetical example here. Imagine someone uses the Freedom of Information Act to request a police body cam or dash cam video for a certain time and place. If the agency heavily redacts the footage or denies the request altogether, that could tip off the requester that a confidential informant was present. So let's think here. In theory, someone could then cross-check with other public or private cameras in the area and try to piece together who was there. This is exactly why law enforcement agencies guard this information so closely. That's right. A confidential informant has privacy in public. They have an expectation of privacy in public. They have special laws for their privacy. We all know if you're in a public place, street, store, park, courthouse, you generally cannot claim privacy. Courts in the U.S. have consistently held this. Okay, that you have no expectation of privacy in public. The privilege exists to protect the CI's safety and ensure law enforcement can still get cooperation. This is why documents, videos, and testimonies involving CIs are often redacted, sealed, or denied under FOIA or discovery rules. If a CI is captured on body cam, dash cam, or surveillance footage while assisting police agencies, often blur their face, mute audio, or deny release entirely. Courts allow this redaction because exposing a CI could endanger them, compromise cases, or chill future cooperation. So what that means is, if someone was to tell you that all you have to do is put in a public records request of somebody that you think is a rat, and if the police don't give it to you, or if they highly redact it or hide the face of the person that's in there, you would then put in a public request for the outside public cameras that are looking at wherever they met up at, and you could identify them. But if you identify them, if you actually look at an informant's face and identify them, you're going to prison. So no, hypothetically, you can't make a website named Known Rats and have their pictures and their information on it, because if you do that, you're going to go to prison because you just told on all the rats and baited them with cheese. Fuck, I don't know. That's the law.
It still isn't